Almost 2 weeks ago, the FDA issued um, to Capricor Therapeutics a complete response letter for its biologics license application for Deramiocel, the company's investigational cell therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The complete response letter cited the need for additional clinical data to support efficacy and safety, which means the company will not receive approval until it can submit new results. So today, the 30th of July, we're now seeing that the stock is trending after news broke that Vinay Prasad, a key FDA official involved in regulatory oversight, has departed the agency, a development that many investors see as potentially positive for Capricorn's chances of getting its lead candidate, Deramiocel, approved. Committee discussions are centered on how Prasad's exit might influence the FDA's review process, with some suggesting that this departure could clear the path for a fresh perspective on Deramiocel's application. Prasad was perceived by some in the community as a tough gatekeeper, and his exit has fueled hopes that any internal disagreements or regulatory bottlenecks might ease on under a new leadership. Adding to the speculation, a few investors are floating rumors about the possible return of a former FDA official known for being more collaborative with smaller biotechs, though no confirmation has emerged. Meanwhile, all eyes are now on Capricorn's upcoming Type A meeting with the FDA, a critical step where the company aims to clarify the remaining hurdles for their ML cells approval. Investors are debating whether this personnel shakeup will accelerate or influence the agency's feedback during this meeting, and whether it might lead to a more favorable path forward for Deramiocel, which targets a rare cardiac condition, and has been closely watched by the biotech community. Overall, sentiment appears cautiously optimistic, but divided, with bulls arguing that this is the catalyst Capricorn needs, while the skeptics warn that the regulatory uncertainty remains high despite the shake up here. So yeah, the stock is now making headway, making progress in clawing back the losses it printed, especially the one that occurred on Friday the 11th. Even though this is not the lowest it's printed. It actually printed a 6.17 a couple of days thereafter. But yes, regardless, it's making progress to recover those the ground it lost then, making progress to recover the ground lost then. So um, even yeah, well, regardless of this speculation we are dealing with right now, the stock has been in an uptrend, if you like. As things stand right now, it has a couple of resistances to break through. 7.68 is one of them. Before that, we have, okay, 7.68 was one of them. But then we also have the one it printed today, 8.56, and 9.68, 9.87, 10.34, 10.5, and 11.43, and indeed higher prices. So as things stand right now, it's expected to move sideways with a bearish bias up till Friday, the 1st of August, when it's also expected to, as a matter of fact, ultimately it's a downtrend that has been projected up till Thursday, the 7th of August. Maybe after that, we might see a bounce. Buying pressure is very strong, especially on its 10 period moving average based on this 10, so based on this 4 hour chart. So buying pressure is very strong. The 10 period moving average is in a very strong trend mode. There are no negative derivatives, even though we can see some deceleration coming in, going by this value of 0.130 for its second derivative, and then the second derivative on the 21 period moving average is already negative, indicating that even though buying pressure is very strong, it has since weakened, so it's decelerating. So have a look and see what you make of CAPR. And thank you very much for watching this video.